Right, we're here. We're about to set up our house for tonight. See? That's Teresa. And this is me. We're gonna, for the first time, I'm going to sleep in a tent. This is gonna be really, really nice. Cool. There she is. This is in the woods. And actually, it's not hot. It's actually windy and feels good. It's not like in Las Vegas when we left, it's like 104 degrees. So here it's like 80, 82 or 80, 82. How many? Or 74 degrees. That's even better. See? So she said she can set it up by herself. I try to help, but I don't know what to do. She's expert of setting up the tent.